students, today I am going to start dimensional analysis. Actually, before study the dimensional analysis, we should discuss about drive units. Drive units which is made by fundamental or basic units. And in previous video we already discussed about fundamental or basic units, which is basic, and in general the quantity of basic units are sevens. Now the example of drive unit is acceleration. The formula of acceleration is change in velocity per unit time taken. Change in velocity means velocity, and the unit of velocity is meter per second, upon the unit of time is second. So we can say that the unit of acceleration is meter per second square. And in this unit we can say that the acceleration made by two fundamental units means meter and second. So this type of unit is known as drive unit. Now we can say that acceleration is defined by meter per second square, and we also can say that kilometer per hour square or kilometer per minute square. Both these units also define acceleration, in which meter and kilometer used for length and second, hour or minute represent or used for time. In general, we can say that acceleration depend on length per time square, or the unit of length upon unit of time square. Or in general, acceleration depend on 1 power of length and minus 2 power of time, because when we taken up to the time, the power become minus 2. So these powers means 1 power of length and minus 2 power of time is called the dimensions. These powers are called dimensions. These powers are called dimensions. Okay, now taking second example to understand the dimensions clearly. Second example taken as force. Force is given by mass into acceleration. So the unit of mass is kilogram into acceleration is meter per second square. So we can say that kilogram meter per second square is the unit of force, because this unit made by kilogram, meter and second, and these three units are basic units. That's why we can say that force is a derived unit. Now this unit we also can write kilogram meter second minus 2, because this second power when is taken up become minus 2. So we can say that force depend 1 power of, where kg represent mass, so 1 power of mass. Similarly 1 power of m represent length, and minus 2 power of time. So these are known as dimensions. So these powers are known as dimensions. So the dimension of a physical quantity are defined as the power to which the fundamental units are raised to obtain the desired unit of that quantity. And to define the dimensions of the formula, we use dimensional formula, in which we use big brackets. And the dimensional formula for basic and fundamental 7 physical quantities are represented by length for capital L in big brackets, mass for capital M, time for T capital, theta for temperature for theta, electric current for ampere, luminous intensity for CD, and quantity of matter is mol, mole. These are written in big brackets, which represent the dimensional formula of that quantity. Here is some formulas for which we have to find the dimensional formula. So first formula is area. These formulas are derived units, means these formula are derived formulas and its unit is derived units. So first formula is area. Area is given by length into breadth. So both these are represent length. So the dimensional formula is L into L, means L square. Second is volume. Volume is length into breadth into height. These are things are represent length. So L into L into L means L cube is the dimensional formula of volume. Now third one is velocity or speed. Both the formula of velocity is displacement upon time, or the formula of speed is distance upon time. But distance and displacement both are represent length. So the dimension formula for displacement or distance is L and time for T. So the dimension formula is LT minus 1, because T is in downward. When we take it up, the power of this formula become minus 1. Acceleration already discussed, force already discussed. Now the sixth one is work. Work is given by force into displacement. The dimensional formula of force is mLT minus 2 and the formula of displacement is L, where L and L makes L square. The net the formula of work is mL square T minus 2. Now the power. Power is given by work upon time, and the dimensional formula of work is mL square T minus 2 from the above upon T, and this T and minus 2 become minus 3, and the formula become mL square T minus 3. Similarly, next is density. Density formula is given by mass upon volume. So the mass is represented by capital M and the volume is represented by L cube by this formula, and the formula become mL minus 3. These are some formula. You can make so many dimension formula for different derived physical quantities. Here is another some formulas, so you can try at home with your reference book or NCERT book, and keep trying to make dimension formula for different other physical quantities. Thank you.